Here in this video, I am going to list down all these students' name and description in a HTML view table. Firstly, I am going to create route. I create a route which is called students. I redirect into the function which is called students. Then I go to student controller, create new function students. Firstly, I create a students object. For that student where I get all students. Here this students object has all column details of students. Okay, then I go to resources, students. I create a blade that is students dot blade dot php. Then here I get template from edit student blade because I have a common layout that is layout.blade.php. Then I'm going to get the layout here. Then I close edit student.blade. I use edit student.blade.php only to get the layout. Copy the layout. Here I add the layout. Here students.layout file. Here is the layout in HTML form. Then I am going to write this student content. For that I open table and also I add Bootstrap class. Then I add table headers, name and description. After that I add for each and also end for each. I am going to iterate student subject as student, then new line I get student name and also student description. That's it. Then here I return to view, that is student folder, student blade, then students, then compact this students object. Then I can run this route as this. There is an error here. There is where something. I go to student controller. Here I am going to get all the students column, all the students details due to name and description. Then I there is no any where condition, no any filters. Then I delete this and save and I run. I list student details which is in this students table. I list down. I think you will understand how to list down in a table HTML table from the database. I hope you understand about this and please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will provide this kind of valuable videos in future too.